How to get the bug egg, guys? How to get bug egg? Bug egg. What? Bro. Why do I have? Why am I poor? Wait. Let me sell this thingy-majiggy right here. Let me sell it quickly. Bang. Okay, 10 million. Okay, now I can buy it. Bug egg. Bug egg. Okay, I have to literally go call my friend because he probably wants it as well. Bug egg. Very good. Okay, now this is how you get bug egg in grow a garden very quickly. Let me actually put it out. Where is the bug egg? Bug egg. Look at him. Lucas. We get the bug egg. Bug egg on stock. 50 mil. Join. Okay. Bug egg. Okay, now we can unbox the rare egg as well. Look. Hatch. What are you gonna get? Come on. Come on. Give me a capybara. Yo, what is that? An apple? We got an apple. No, never mind. We got a cat. What is that cat doing, bro? What is that cat doing? Okay, we got a dog and a cat, and we got a bunch of other stuff. But guys, like the video, subscribe if you would like to have yourself a pepper. You want a pepper? You want pepper egg? You want pepper? If you want pepper egg, comment down below pepper. Comment down below pepper if you want pepper egg. I'm gifting pepper eggs today to you guys. Anyways, this is how you get it. Like the video, subscribe.